Let's customize this cup by first measuring the width and the length of where you want to place the design. Make a rectangular template on Silhouette Studio with the measurements that you have just done, and then bring in your design and center it into the rectangular template. Then you are going to get all the little elements that you want to put in your design and then add them on. Once you have done that, select your whole design, group it, and then center it into the template again. You are then going to click on the send panel and make sure all the areas of the design that you want cut out are highlighted in red. Prepare your vinyl on the mat and then connect your mat to the machine. Make sure your mat connects straight and that your rollers have the perfect grip. Turn to your software and then press send for the machine to cut. Once it has finished cutting, extract your mat and then weed the vinyl and make sure you take off all the little parts in the letters. Next, you are going to get some rubbing alcohol and then clean the tumbler. This takes off any dust and oils from the tumbler. Once you do that, measure your transfer tape and cut it according to the size of your design. Make sure you cut off any stray vinyl. Apply the transfer tape carefully onto your design and then burnish it on the top. Turn it upside down and then burnish it on the bottom as well. This ensures that your design adheres cleanly onto your transfer tape, ready to be transferred onto your tumbler. Slowly lift up your transfer tape together with the design, making sure no design is left on the vinyl, and then you are going to apply it on your cup. Once you do that, gently rub the design onto the cup, making sure that it adheres properly. You can also use your burnishing tool to rub the design onto the cup. Carefully lift off the transfer tape and make sure the design is not lifted up while you're doing that. If there are any pieces that lift up with the transfer tape, just take your burnishing tool, rub them down a little bit and then pull the transfer tape again. Repeat the same process for all the other elements you'd like to add onto your cup. Once you do that, take some rubbing alcohol and clean the lid and then add any designs that you'd like. And here is the finished tumbler. Let me know in the comments if you will try it. Please let me know if you have any questions in the comments below.